Hello everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Chapel, and today we want to learn how to crochet this rocking single crochet pattern. A mix of lace and texture makes this pattern great for baby blankets. So let's get started. To get started, make a slip knot and start chaining an even number of stitches. After making your chains, start from the second chain. Single crochet 2 together over the second and third chain from the hook. Chain 1, single crochet 3 together over previous stitch, previous chain, and next 2 stitches. Chain 1, single crochet over the previous chain and next 2 chains, and repeat this process till the end. At the end of row, chain 1, single crochet 2 together over the previous chain and the last chain. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, turn your work, single crochet 2 together over the first single crochet and next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet 3 together over previous chain 1 space, next single crochet and next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet 3 together over previous chain 1 space, next single crochet and next chain 1 space, and repeat it to the end. At the end of the row, chain 1, single crochet 2 together over previous chain 1 space and the last single crochet. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 2. And repeat row 2 until you get the desired length. And this is how it looks like at the end. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!